Okay, guys, welcome to the PNG Pacific Capital channel. This is your host Jared. So this stream is going to be a little bit different. For this stream, we're just going to do a little bit of trading recap on the trades taken for today, ending the month off pretty strong. So today is the last day of March. So we had some really nice gold sells during London session, all through to like pre-NY open, so a little bit after NY open, so it's gonna go through that. So the first trade we took, let's say 1, 2, 3, yeah, 3 trades, 4 trades for today's session. So the first trade was taken during London session. So basically, when I came to the charts, you could clearly see this candle was starting to push up, approaching this resistance area to the left over here. Now, as soon as this candle closed above this resistance at 1983.50, and now initially I was going to look for buy. I was going to get in on buys over here for price to potentially drive up during London session. But then this is something that I look to the left. I realized that looking to the right side of the screen, we had price coming up, tapping into this area over here, 1985. So as soon as this candle tapped into 985, I decided to look to the left. Looking to the left, we had a lot of rejections at this area for quite some time. At last week's NY session, also rejected last week Tuesday, last week Monday. It's a pretty strong level, so I decided that if I wanted to get buys over here, I'd potentially wait for a break of the previous hourly candle high for us to potentially take buys. But unfortunately, fortunately, we didn't get that much of a confirmation, so price started tanking back bearish. So at that point, we were just pretty much waiting, and we took our first gold sell on the 30-minute time frame right here. As soon as this 30-minute candle closed below this resistance right here, sorry, this support level right here, 1978.50, executed. As soon as this 30-minute candle opened, price came down, secured like what, 20 pips, 25 pips of profits. That was during London session. I took this trade on the London session live stream, so you could potentially go back and check it out. So that was the first trade for the day. The second trade of the day was taken right here. So basically, we had this resistance form, and price started pushing up, and then this second trade was basically taken on the 1 hour time frame right over here. Caught like what, 10, 11, 12 pips. So basically, as this what's this candle, 7 p.m. candle started pushing up, looking to the left, it closed just shy of this previous support level area in 1978, which we broke out of. So as soon as this candle opened, I decided to execute on the 1 hour time frame. We also had a fair bit of confirmation on the 30-minute time frame right over here. As soon as this 30-minute candle closed bearish, executed right as we were breaking the previous low over here. Price came down, secured like 10 pips of profits, and then moved my stops to break even. I had some partials running at break even, which got taken out, and that was my second trade of the day. Okay, the third and final trade of the day was taken on the 1 hour time frame, just a little bit past NY open 10 p.m. So basically, we had this 9 p.m. candle close bullish, but if we can take a look at this, the size of this bullish candle, we're gradually decreasing. So basically, that meant that the bullish volume was starting to decrease. And even though we had high impact news coming out at 10:30, what's this? Yeah, at 10:30, as soon as this candle opened, started breaking below the low of the previous 1 hour candle, decided to execute right here, right as we were breaking the low. So price came down, secured like what? Let's check out the 30-minute time frame right here actually. So this is where we executed right as we were breaking the low on the 30-minute time frame. So executed right here, price came down to what, 13, 14, 15 pips, secure profits right there. This was taken off stream, so yeah, just doing a little bit of a trading recap. And yeah, secure profits at that point, and we call it a session. And that brings us to the close of March, ending the day pretty significantly in profits. Amazing month so far. Planning on doing a little bit of a smaller account challenge next month, but we'll see how it plays out. I have a lot of things going on the side too, so I'll see if I find time for that. Looking at hindsight, with this 1 hour candle is closing bearish now, so we might potentially have a drive towards the bottom. But yeah, if you're gonna take sales over here, I'm pretty much done for the session, so yeah. Anyways, that brings us to the end of March. We're gonna go to the session now, and yeah, I'll catch you guys doing 11 session on Monday. Yeah, 11 session on Monday. It's been a very nice month. Majority of the trades taken this month was on stream. A handful of trades was taken off stream. So, yeah. Anyways, I'll catch you guys on Monday, and I'll probably do more of these recap videos at the end of like the week period, or the weekly period, or the monthly period, whichever that may be. Anyways, cheers, guys.